Guys, we've been trying for 2 weeks to get a video out to you. We've been running wide open. All of our trucks are wide open. So I guess we'll just have to do a day in the life of, it looks like, which is a good thing. The phone's ringing off the hook. All of our guys are running wide open. What's the problem? Oh, 10. We can't even get gas the right way. So the first plumbing problem we're going to is, the description I have is water coming out of the ceiling. That's one that can't wait. I'd love to be at the shop doing a video on how to do whatever, but we're going to show you firsthand how to get somebody out of a plumbing bind here. Water coming out of the ceiling. So this is a condensate drain that's full of sludge.
It looks like we have a condensate backup from this hub drain in the sewer.
Alright, next job is a toilet valve, shut-off valve leaking at the wall, and the handle is broken. So we're headed that way. Got about 15 jobs on the board today, and it's only 9 a.m. so everybody's running, trying to get them all done. Okay, so the second job was a, what was it?
We had a leaking supply line and a commode handle that fell off, so we had to readdress it.
It's a done deal?
It's done.
I had to stay on the phone in the truck the whole time. Yes, ma'am. Well, we'll have an answer for you when we come out there and actually put our eyes on it, and we'll keep that in mind, and we'll give you our best assessment of what we think is going on, okay? Yes, ma'am, that's correct. Yes, ma'am, talk to you soon. Bye-bye. There's no footage of this job, but on to the next one. Now we're headed to a job where what are we doing?
Dishwasher.
That's funny, isn't it?
Dishwasher drain came loose.
The dishwasher drain came loose. And a faucet won't come on. And it's raining. And we also got a drain call after this. Rain or shine, baby, gotta do it to it. Turns out on this job, one of the drains is backing up in the kitchen, so we gotta get the drain machine. You know, our favorite machine right here. We gotta get it going and get them back up and running. So it's a smaller line though, it's not the main line, but nevertheless, we're dealing with the rain and dealing with a stop. Well, that turned out to be a drain clog and a dishwasher discharge line that broke loose. Had to fix that. Back at the shop now. Normally, I'm not the one actually on the job. I'm doing other things, all the administrative type things, but in the event that the dispatch board just lights up and our on-call guy just gets overwhelmed, it turns into an all hands on deck type situation. We all jump in a truck and go and get us back to where we're not so swamped, because when plumbing jobs come in and you got water coming out of the ceiling, or you got drains backing up and a restaurant's trying to open, you can't just say we'll be there in a couple hours. I like that. I like the chaotic atmosphere sometimes. I mean, it does get a little stressful. Sometimes we all just leave the office and everybody's in a truck and we turn it over to the answering service for a few hours, and everybody here is a plumber. The whole staff is a plumber. There may not be anybody in the office to answer the phone, but that's what we have our answering service for. Most of the time it's for after hours calls, but you know, if we're all on a job, if we're under a house, or if we're on the end of a drain machine, somebody's gonna answer the phone. You know, back when we first started the company, we were a new construction company, and we didn't have a need for an answering service or even on call. I mean, when you do new construction, or at least when we did new construction, it was, you knew what you were gonna do pretty much for the whole week. You knew what schedule you had to be on, but this is a we're not a new construction company at this point anymore. We are a service and emergency and repairs, and you know, we do some small remodel stuff, but you never know from day to day what you're going to get into. You don't even know from hour to hour what's going to happen, and that takes getting used to. And but I love it. It's so fun when we all these guys come together, and whatever happens, we just have to get it done. So it's a good day. It was fun. It was fun at the end when you have it all done, but when you got 15, 20 customers biting their fingernails wondering when you're going to get there, because the house is, or the business is dependent on you to be there. It's a big responsibility, but that's what we're here for, and we love it. I hope you enjoyed going along for the ride. A lot of times I'm at the point where I don't feel comfortable filming things that we do a lot of times on site. I mean, I don't know if people would be receptive to us filming the actual work that we do. I do as much as I can without giving away anybody's identity, but it is fun. I hope you like watching it, and we'll see you next week. Have a great day. If you liked it, drop a comment below. I appreciate you guys for subscribing.